Summer is nearly over and school's nearly here, and that means students are getting set for another year of classes. But another year of school also means another year of homework. Projects, assignments, essays, they can all be tough on kids and sometimes even tougher on parents. So what can you do to help? Well, Stuart Ackerman has some ideas. He's the author of Learn 'em Good Homework Tips and Study Skills, and he's founder of the TutorGiant.com. And right now, Stuart is live here, and he's set up his very own workstation. Thanks for being with us, Stuart.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
Okay, so why not just use the kitchen table? Why is it important to have a special workplace for homework?
Well, it's a good question. There are a lot of distractions at home in the kitchen, other siblings running around, the television on, mom or dad preparing dinner. There's a lot of noise and a lot of clutter all over the place. A homework station in the room is a much neater, more organized work area for students.
Okay, so tell us what we need for a good workstation.
Okay, well, we need a lot of things. What's really important when you're setting up a workstation at home is to remember it's not just the physical preparation, but it's time management. It's really important. I brought in a few things to my workstation here to give you a good idea of what's essential to have at home. We obviously want to have some sort of organizational tool where we can put in pencils and a calculator, glue stick. When it's neat and organized, your child will know where everything is, easy to access at any time. Don't forget that USB key, very important for bringing home projects that are done on the computer at home as well. And then we have the essentials, staplers, scissors, ruler, a math set for students. You know, geometry work starts at grade 4, a compass and ruler, protractor, very important. I really love these stick-it note pens, and these are great. Students can take off these stick-it notes, and when they're reading to record work or find a page, they just take the note off, put it in the book, and it's a great tool to have. Hole puncher and some other important graph paper. Paper is always good to have handy, so your child can't say to you that I have nothing to write on.
And I'm also thinking it's nice to have all of these things at the ready so that you don't have any excuses for, well, I can't find the stapler, so I'm just going to wander around for half an hour.
That's right. It's a good time waster. Yeah, I've heard that in the classroom too many times. So
absolutely.
That's right.
Now, you talked about time management. How important is it to have a calendar for a student?
Well, I think that calendars are really important because not only do they help with the physical preparation, but they help with the time management. There's two types of calendars. One calendar is a basic desk calendar that students can have. And what's great about this is I've developed I call it the traffic light method. And in the traffic light method, I use 3 different colors for the calendar. I use green to indicate, well, it's not such an important task or homework assignment coming up. I know when it needs to be done. Orange means, okay, it's coming close, time is getting closer, I need to finish this soon. And red, as we do it at a traffic light, we stop. Red indicates, wait a minute, I have to stop. I know this is an important project coming up, and I need to spend my time. And this will help your child to determine what's important, what to study for at which time, and will help with overall organization. This can also be done on a wall calendar. We can put the same things on a wall calendar, and we can have a yearly wall calendar, which shows your child, okay, next month, this is what I've got to do. If your child is playing organized sports, you know exactly what days you'll be out, and everything could be on the calendar, again, with the traffic light method, with the 3 colors, and your child will know, okay, this is really important. I need to spend the time on that.
Stuart, I'm thinking these are tips that adults can use as well. Thanks so much for that.
Thank you.
All right. Do you have any questions about going back to school? Email us at backtoschool@ctv.ca, and we'll have an elementary school teacher right here tomorrow to answer all of your questions. Coming up.